What is up, YouTube? Grasser Boys here with you guys. Tonight I'm gonna be giving you guys a video of me going to the drag strip with the SI. I'm gonna rip it a little, you know, see what it got. And it's my first experience also on the drag strip, see how it goes. So stay tuned to see if anything happens. Hope you guys like the video. Share, comment, and subscribe. Anything to help out the channel, guys. And I'll see you guys over there. Alright guys, we're here. I'm in the line to race. I'm pretty fucking nervous. Let's see how it goes. Look at this nigga with all the blood on the car. So how was it the first time?
Bad.
Why?
I spin the whole fucking track.
And he got slicks on, guys. I'm gonna race with him first just to test it out. We even got trucks up here and everything. I put the V-stack back in the car. My motor blew just because of the V-stack, because water went inside, so we had to change the motor. So my car only has catback and V-stack, so that's about it. And we're stripped. Motherfucker stripped this shit. Alright guys, yeah, we gotta push this shit. I don't know, everyone's doing it, I'm gonna do it too. I don't know why, but let's do it too. Shit's crazy. Been here for about like 120 minutes. Next time is gonna be worse. Every time I fucking race, it's gonna have to wait a long ass time. This is like the most annoyingest part. What, nigga? Alright guys, we're already here. Fuck. Wait, what? Don't now burnout. I'm gonna do a little burnout in the beginning first. I'm nervous as fuck, guys. You don't know. This shit was crazy. I ran with Christian with the 350 EHR. You know, I just wanted to test. Now we're gonna go out and we're gonna try to find a good race that's fair with me. See how much fun we can have tonight.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, bro.
Not a problem, man. Anytime.
So it's a 1/8 mile, guys. This mile is not a 1/4. Reaction time, I got 0.971. Christian got it better than me. He got 0.749. The 60 feet, I got 2.5. Christian got 2.3. He got 83 miles per hour. I got 74. He got 9.1. I got 10.0. Come and test it out with this one now, with the Accord V6 3.5 VTEC. Still a long ass line, like I told you guys. Second race, probably one more and that's it. It's already 10. This closes at 12. Seatbelt, always safety first, guys, even if it's a 2.4 VTEC Honda. All right, so this time I got the left lane, which has grip, like the track is prepped. So let's see if I don't spin that much and I could do a decent time. Last time I did 10.0. Let's see if now I could do around 9.5 or a little above at least. Let's see, bro. I hope. I don't plan on missing no gear though.
Qué bueno. Vamos allá. Vamos a hacer un show ahora.
Get to this point, you get nervous as fuck. Fuck. Now heart's pounding like a motherfucker. Now he doesn't want to stop. All right. It's our time, guys.
Foot on the brake. As it goes yellow, speed, 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 speed. Second to last one, let go of the brake.
Huh?
Just as it's going out. Just as it's going out.
I-
Wow.
What the fuck? Fuck that.
¿No fallaste?
Bro, that no, me volví loco, ¿verdad? Cuando salí esto, pa. Like, what the fuck? Me volví loco. Guys, that shit was crazy. I started bouncing everywhere and I was like, what the fuck? I prefer spinning in the next one than doing that again in that one, bro. So what's up, guys? It was a nice night. I had hella fun. Only bad shit about it was the line, waiting, having to wait to just do 2 races, 2 passes, and both passes coming out horrible. The second one was terrible. You saw that shit, how it was. Cars just started bumping everywhere because of so much grip that they had prepped. The first one was actually good. I would have preferred still spinning out and not having to experience that with my car. But whatever, at least I experienced that. I now know that I'm not getting in the left lane. Unless I get early there, no fucking line or whatever, and I do some smooth passes without racing nobody, just to try to see if I could get out good without having to do all that shaking shit. But over everything, it was a nice experience. I really had a fun time. I hope you guys like, share, comment, anything just to help the channel out. And let me know what you guys thought. I'm gonna be bringing more content to this channel. Hope you guys liked it. Have a good night.